You're still playing with the same toy of this kind? Why not have a look at today's star? Learn the following dachshund. Come and see what it can do. With the intelligent following function, it will follow you wherever you go. It is really great. It also has a super ability. That is, it can stretch out and draw back its flexible body at any time, which provides you with great fun. You want to learn programming? The dachshund can also do it.
Will it follow my order?
That is for sure. As long as you can quiet, it will come to you.
Can I have a touch?
Of course you can. Touch it, and it will show you its talent. It is so clever that it can also teach English and tell stories. It will accompany you and give you lots of fun. Learn and follow dachshund.